Good evening. Today is December 3rd, 2023, and I am going to go over something called the PDT rule. And this rule applies to anybody who wants to trade stocks, who wants to day trade stocks and make more than 3 trades per week. Now, there are plenty of people out there who might only trade 1 time per week. Might trade 2 times per week, even 3 times a week, and that's perfectly fine. Many people are making a lot of money doing that. However, there are people out there who want to make multiple trades per day. Day traders, scalpers, people who want to get in and get out, people who want to trade 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times a week. By that I mean place that many trades. There's nothing wrong with that. Is there a level of risk to it? Yeah. Is there a level of risk to placing only 1 trade? Yeah, there's a level of risk to everything. You just have to know how to manage your risks, get out of your positions if they're losing, and stay in your positions if they're winning, and close out at the right time. And what matters is how mindful you are of the charts. That means not just running away if you're day trading, not just walking away expecting everything to be okay. No, you have to stay there and be mindful and watchful. So, back to the topic, main topic, the PDT rule. What is the PDT rule? PDT rule is a pattern day trading rule. It says that you have to have at least $25,000 in your account. In a margin account. Not a cash account, a margin account, in order to be a day trader. Now, you can be a day trader with less than $25,000 in your account. However, you have to reach out to your broker and you have to ask them to switch to a cash account. Keep in mind that with a cash account, the funds will be settled the next day. Meaning, if you trade, let's say you have $5,000 in your bank account and you trade Tesla and you make a couple of trades. Let's say you make 3 trades and you make $1,000. That $1,000 won't show up into your bank account until the next day. And that also includes the cash you have available to trade with. So if a trade costs $2,000 to get into and you have $5,000, you can only make 2 trades that day. If this doesn't make sense, you can always reach out to us on our website or send us an email. We'd be glad to help you. But that's the issue with the cash account. And then, if you do that, then your winning trades will be, or your losing trades will be settled the next day, and that will be reflected in your trading account. With a margin account, your trades will be settled instantly. So if you have over 25,000, if you trade and make 1,000, that will instantly be available in your cash account so that you can trade with more. You can trade with your profits. Now, if you trade on a margin account if you place more than 3 trades on a margin account with less than $25,000 in your bank account, your account will be marked as a pattern day trader, and they will stop you from trading. They won't allow you to trade. So, how much is a safe amount to trade with? Well, I would say on a margin account, it would be safe to have $26,000 to $27,000 in that account. Why 26 to 27? Because when you're trading, you can lose money. And you want to create a little buffer so that your account doesn't go below $25,000. Now, you might ask me, how in the world am I going to get $25,000? Some people might say $25,000 isn't anything. How do you get $25,000 to trade with? Just get a regular job and work. It could be anything. You could drive for Uber. You could work a regular job. You could do anything. You could bartend. Anything. freelance work, so many things to do. I know, easier said than done, because I was also in a position years ago when I didn't have much. So that is the PDT rule. Remember, if you want to day trade, if you want to make more than 3 trades per week, it's essential to have, not essential, but it's highly recommended to have over $26,000. Technically, you can have over 25, but I'd say 26 to create that buffer in your margin trading account. Start off slow and then slowly scale up. Start off trading 1 share, then trade 10, then 100 until trade 1 until you're profitable, consistently profitable, then more, then more, then more.